Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the novel The Vendor of Sweets by R.K. Narayan. Jagan had to wait for his chance to meet Grace. He was back home, but she did not come to Jagan's room for over 10 days. He felt depressed at the thought that she avoided him since Jagan had made his position clear. His relations with Mali and Grace became more bitter. He could not talk to Grace in Mali's presence. He hoped that Grace might come his way or that Mali would go out on one of his errands. He could have worked with her. There was no hope of either happening, so he quietly stepped out of the house and reached his shop. There was clamor on the road, and hence he could not concentrate on the Gita. He could not decide whether he had done the right thing by reducing the price of sweets. When the cousin returned from Tirupati after several days, he advised Jagan to stop selling sweets at the reduced rate. Quite possibly, the men of other sweet vendors would buy his sweet packets at reduced rates and sell them at higher rates. It had not occurred to Jagan that this was a possibility. Then Jagan talked to the cousin about his family matters. The cousin said that Mali had told him that Grace was going back to America on business concerning the machine. He told Jagan that the Anand Bhavan Seth and a few others had promised to buy shares of his company. Mali had been very active and was all over the town. Then Jagan sought the cousin's help for his interview with Grace in Mali's absence. The cousin left Mali writing for him at the judge's house, and hence Jagan could go home and see Grace. So now, students, we see that the relationship between Jagan and Grace has also deteriorated because of the differences between Jagan and Mali. Although Jagan is quite fond of Grace and he finds her a sensible girl, but due to the differences between Mali and himself, the relationship between Grace and Jagan also are not what they should be, and there is a bit of a lack of communication between the two. But Jagan wants to break that, and he wants to talk to his daughter-in-law, and he seeks the help of the cousin to talk to Grace. And in our next class, we'll study what dialogue or what conversation takes place between Jagan and Grace. So that is all for today's class. Thanks.